Hello, I have iPhone 15 Pro on my desk. So it has no display, so let's look like the screen. So just put the plier tool on the bottom and lift it up, and be careful because it has a all adhesive tape which is a company fitted. So be careful, just remove it. Maybe it's not the screen, so I'm just trying to save the screen first. Maybe something else, so because it has no display, so be careful with that. So remove from the edges, be careful with that. Look at this, it's easily coming out after heating. So make sure you heat up first and then work on like this. So this phone is also open just like book style, and in this phone you'll find this is a big metal plate which is a one piece, and it has a lot of screws. So let's unscrew the all Y type screws. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 I think, and screw, just keep counting please with me. So after unscrewing all, so let's take out the metal plate. So look at this is a one piece metal plate which covered all connectors. That's I think the good feature. So disconnect the battery first, and this is a screen connector I'm doing, and here is a proximity sensor. So that's all you'll find on the screen. So look at how it look like from the inside, but on the screen you'll find just only one thing, which is this one. So just put some rubbing alcohol so it will melt the glue. So after this, just unscrew this thing, detach this sensor from the body, and be careful, put your plier, otherwise it's kind of thin paper. If it rip or you'll break, so you have to change it. So you remove easily. So this is a one piece, you'll see it has one sensor. This is a new screen which I got, so it's iPhone 15 Pro. So look at the screen, it's kind of very easy. So just put this sensor back into the place, and it has a design. You'll follow the design and easily you can just put it back. So put the screw back to the screen, which I took it out. This screen has a couple of screws. So after this, just connect the sensor first to the motherboard, and then the main display connector, and here's the battery. So let's put look at this, all connector are connected now. So let's put this metal plate back and screw it, and here we go. So I just slipped it, sorry. So here we go. So just tight this thing, it will hold, and after this you can install all. So this is everything is ready to go, and let's turn on the phone and see it works or not. So it's showing the Apple logo, its touch is working in perfectly fine condition. Look at the screen quality. So just put properly to the screen, and if you like that video, thumbs up, and see you in the next video.